It's Wednesday morning. I think it's January the 6th. And I was laying in bed. And this is the heaviest I've ever been. I think I'm almost, well, last time I weighed myself I was 237. But we had a bout of bad weather for 3 weeks. Lots of snow. Couldn't go anywhere. Cold outside. Bunkered down with baby and husband. And sometimes I was good, but you know, you're inside, so you don't do anything physical. And I didn't get on this bike at all. But here I am on the bike. So I was laying in bed, feeling totally disgusting, really heavy. You know, when you put your arm across your stomach and your arm feels really short, your stomach feels bigger. It was freaky. So I woke up this morning and I saw one of your videos. She's a subscriber. I don't have her name off the top of my head, but she said she's gonna try to do it. She started just 5 minutes a day. That's fantastic. And she's really going for it. And this matters to her. And I have this mentality where I'm like, I can only do 20 minutes on the bike, and I used to be able to do an hour, and I used to be able to run, so I kind of feel like giving up. But after seeing her video, it's just 5 minutes a day, and she's totally going for it. I thought, well, I gotta try to do this. So I'm gonna do this video, and I'm gonna ride on this bike just to start 20 minutes for the next 5 days. Today was day 5 and I did it. I did 20 minutes. I had like a 3-level goal. 20 minutes, 200 calories, 10 kilometers. So did it, done. That was good. 5 days, it was no problem. Just committed myself to having like a morning routine. Get up, feed the baby, make the protein shake, get on the bike. And then it doesn't matter what I do after that. Another thing that I've was recommended to me by a friend was sparkpeople.com. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with it. Those of you that aren't, it's this really great tracking tool that you can track your nutrition and your exercise, all relative to what your weight loss goal is, and over 1 year's time. So it's like a 1-year commitment, I believe. Anyways, yeah, it's really cool. I like it, and it's even got me, it's got the strengthening part too, which I'm not very creative about exercise at home because I'm not used to doing it. So they have little demo videos, and you can make your own, they create a strengthening program for you. So, and you tell them what equipment you have at home. So I've got like an exercise ball and a band and some dumbbells, and so they make a little program. So 3 times a week I do that too. So that's a whole change for me by the beginning of this video to the end of this video, and what I will be doing physically. That's good. And the weather is looking good outside. So, hey baby. The weather's looking good outside. This is warmer, so we'll be getting out for our long walks again. That's good. I haven't heard anything from the surgeon yet. Waiting for the analysis of my overnight tests. Says it takes a couple weeks. So I'll just hang in there. I'll call them on Monday if I don't hear from anything during the day. I'll call them at the end of the day. And that's it. That's all that's happening. So I'm committed to a new program. I'm losing some weight, hopefully, on my own. Doing the protein shakes, waiting for the call. I watch everyone else's videos. It's really inspiring, and I really love to. I think that one of my subscribers, hopefully you'll see this, and rate a comment on the bottom of this video, who did the 5 minutes a day, and was really inspirational to me. It was so inspirational. I was like, yeah, just all you gotta do is commit to it and make it important, and then you can do it. Doesn't matter how long it is, just to start. Just get a habit, get on the bike, and then the time takes care of itself, and how much you can do takes care of itself. So that's very cool. Yeah, and then there was also a woman who'd just been banded, and I saw her video. I'm so terrible with remembering people's names again. But anyway, she had a gas stuck in there, and she looked like she was in a lot of pain for a couple days, and that scared me. Everyone else after surgery is like, oh yeah, I just had surgery, blah, 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 walking around. She's like, oh God, I just had surgery. So that's a little bit of a reality check to prepare for that. It's good to know. It's not just, it is surgery. It is, has an impact on the body. Yeah, so that's it. There you go. I went from no exercise to having a program by the end of the week. So I will get in touch with you by the end of the week after I do another 5 days and let you know about whether or not I have an appointment with my surgeon. Okay, bye.